Hey everyone, Baseus, a well-known brand in the audio accessory industry, has drawn interest from tech aficionados once more with the release of their most recent invention, the AirGo one-ring clip-on headphones. With its unique open-ear appearance and remarkable 25-hour battery life, this new product stands out and is a fascinating option for people who are always on the go. One of the key features that set the AirGo one-ring apart is its promise of delivering 360-degree surround sound effects, achieved through the integration of 12mm dynamic drivers and cutting-edge spatial audio technology. This strategic combination aims to elevate the listening experience by immersing users in a realistic soundscape, enhancing everything from music to movies with depth and clarity. Despite the open-ear configuration, Baseus assures users of minimal sound leakage and uncompromised audio quality, thanks to directional audio transmission and a precise 20-degree ear angle. This engineering finesse ensures that the audio experience remains crisp and immersive, even in bustling environments. When it comes to battery life, the AirGo One Ring doesn't disappoint. With up to 6 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, users can enjoy extended listening sessions without interruption. The included charging case extends this playtime to an impressive 25 hours, and with fast charging support, a mere 10-minute charge can provide an additional 2 hours of usage, making it convenient for busy lifestyles. Comfort is another area where the AirGo One Ring shines. Weighing just 4.5 grams each and featuring a transparent double-layer ear hook appearance, these earbuds offer a secure and comfortable fit, ensuring they stay in place throughout the day, no matter the activity. But the AirGo One Ring isn't just about comfort and battery life, it's also packed with features geared towards enhancing the overall user experience. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection and efficient power usage, while Baseus Smart Dual Connect technology allows for seamless connectivity with 2 devices simultaneously, catering to multitasking needs. Gamers will appreciate the ultra-low latency of 0.06 seconds, ensuring that audio and visuals remain perfectly synchronized during intense gaming sessions. The accompanying Baseus app adds another layer of customization, offering adjustable buttons, headphone positioning tweaks, and a range of EQ sound effects to suit individual preferences. Touch controls on the earphones provide intuitive access to music playback, call management, sound modes, and voice assistant activation, all of which can be personalized through the Baseus app, according to user preferences. The Baseus AirGo One Ring clip-on earphones, with their impressive features and innovative appearance, are priced competitively at 138 yuan, which is approximately $20. This pricing strategy positions them as a compelling option for budget-conscious consumers who are looking for high-quality audio experiences without breaking the bank. Available in 2 stylish colors, Starlight White and Starlight Black, the Baseus AirGo One Ring is not just a technological marvel, but also a fashion statement. With a communication distance of approximately 10 meters and a Type-C charging interface for the case, the AirGo One Ring ticks all the boxes for modern consumers, seeking both style and substance in their audio accessories. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.